Mama wakwaba midi ede adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel mia notification bell no so for more news na say na Kumawood funi bi atwemuti so mo campaign ama omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama na afen so NDC amayoko no se ne be ya 2024 abato no omanpani dada ebetimi enwini na wa ba president bio na ensem we beto odwa no ene Kumawood funi bi a omo eche so omo support omanpani dada na omo ho afom brutal ayanya asenketo akra Ghana fu bi a komo adwa akere omo se hey eye monyefo enti na mukodi NDC achi na enye Ghana ebia ye ya mo pese eye enti na mo support NDC no enti mo pe ba binjina na yembra na ensem we beto odwa no ene NPP bloggers no enya asem keto akra omo aso Kumawood fo yimu omo twabo omo ekere se ye ka enipa o collapse movie industry na anka eye omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama na ende mo campaign ama no because ono na odidum so bai enti no mutwa movie amu light kwa na mudi ayi yese Dumsor na de be wo Ghana ha ne yasem keto akwa be collapse bibia enti ene ka ho ena movie industry no e collapse na de ade na ende Felix appear political zone so e de na dwenkyira ba ena wo kire se Kumawood fo na mo support omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama no oni mu ni asenia munhwem enye mo campaign ba se mo beka se his excellency na nadodan kwakufu adubai onye hwe ono wa na movie industry na collapse because munya film village endi munjuma wo na mudi nsem hu bia mo aso be hyepa na ye ka John Dumelo friend say Nadia Buhari mo Yvonne Nelson Majid mo omo esanse no omo eka brofo at that time na Nigeria light wo ho ntino omo no mutumi gina omo nan so but mo Kumawood fo amode Kumasi nkwa na mutwa mo movie no light no koye no ena mo adwuma no e collapse ntino mama from asem emba his excellency nana do dan kwakufu ado ne subio na yenti ensema Felix appear ede etuja
expose their ignorance to Ghanaians. So we catch them and say, we a movie industry player, we a writer, we a story, I mean, whatever you do, you need electricity nowadays. Under one government, you don't have access to electricity to shoot your movies. Obviously, your industry is gonna die. And sometime, you know, one more na two one kaka cry, one more mutumi do hoko born Nigeria for no. Because most of their movies were being shot in Nigeria. A lie? Please, am I telling lie here? Me patro the American and try na 1 year to me jina and Nadia Buhari ni Majid no no. Na so omo ko Nigeria na sebe woman in Nigeria for no akoye no woman yakania even Nigeria had light than us. Nigeria omo de bi omo su enyinam kanea no they had it done and how can we allow this to even be said? Onipa ne say phone now we de be hwe we send your friend no Nadia Buhari phone now we de be hwe ejako no o charge no dodo edos dodo nti ese eteso. How does that help your industry as a creative person? Don Tower, how does that help you as a creative person? Ushe studio. O chura when your melody ni come on. Appear to say go in the booth. Uko say booth no mu pepe hey. Now what na bontin what na o bompa say light. And you man ka odi 1 day pe and a be record na fe be 1 week na untumi kran ye vocals in we. And numbom affected the industry. But the enyinam kanea wo hwa and the studio bi a me pe bi and the studios ebu Ghana TV studios film studios na de ebu Ghana no enum ni abanya amwa creative for. What does that tell you? They are unlearned. Omun sua de Utie omun sua de ntino ohwe ni failure na onkopo obi no fanto ne so. It is only Ghana. They always want to find somebody to blame their problems on. Waiting a man ye, waiting a man go school, waiting a man koso, we ain't na man you say. Ebio. Let's see what Adudi did. Memfan is say. Okay. Maybe. This is the state of our creative industry before Mahama left. Maybe. I like to do this type of analysis because I like the evidence-based analysis. I like those kind of. Okay. Ghana President Mahama, 7th August 2016. President Mahama set up Aging Creative Arts Fund. Mutie, creative for no. Mutie. Yes, 2016. 7th August. Mahama set up Creative Arts Funds. Just for clarity's sake. As part of seeing to the welfare of the aged within the creative arts industry, His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama has set up an Aging Creative Art Fund, which on record is the first of its kind in the history of Ghana creative art and showbiz industry. Note that. The Minister for Tourism, Culture and Creative Arts, Madam Elizabeth Ofosue-Jare, speaking to GhanaPoliticsOnline.com on the Creative Arts Aging Fund, said, though the fund is then part of why the president set up the ministry, its implementation has taken time. But in less than 3 months, it will be launched. Promise ya Nkwadebeje election 2016 ebi no. Se osete fund we are eba ne sen minu ya wutie me. Se your papa Mahama osete fund we are meba. Eba ne sen ena yenya kwa akutu masinom. So ebetene TV so yasem a ye ka nina ne se industry ni ye niska de ebedi kurapo ye nibi afei yentie Mark Okreku Mante ono so eye creative industry for director as at that time. Oh there be wait for year for 10 meba pa bear with me. Is that hold up. Patrol, my friend tell me. I deal with you.